Welcome back to Vehicle Insights. Today we're diving into something that every car needs but few people talk about, the air filter. It's one of the most important yet overlooked parts of your vehicle. And today we'll show you why it's essential to keep it clean and how easy it is to replace. So, what exactly is an air filter? Simply put, the air filter is like your car's lungs. It filters out dust, dirt, debris, and even bugs from the air before it reaches the engine. Clean air is key to efficient combustion, so this little guy ensures that your engine gets the oxygen it needs without all the junk. If the air filter gets clogged or dirty, it's going to restrict airflow, and that can affect your car's performance in a big way. A dirty air filter means reduced fuel efficiency, sluggish acceleration, and even engine damage over time. There are a few types of air filters, and it's important to know the difference. First, we have the most common type, paper air filters. These are the standard ones in most cars, and they need to be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year, depending on your driving conditions. Next up, we have foam air filters, which are more common in off-road vehicles because they're good at trapping larger particles. And finally, we've got performance filters, like this one from K&N. These are made of cotton or gauze, are reusable, and give you a bit more airflow, which can improve engine performance. So how do you know if your air filter needs to be replaced? There are some common signs to watch for. First, if your fuel economy has taken a dive, it could be because your engine isn't getting enough air. Second, sluggish acceleration. If your car feels slow or unresponsive, a clogged air filter might be to blame. And lastly, if you hear unusual engine noises or experience misfires, that's a big red flag. If you've got a filter that looks like this, dirty, clogged, or full of debris, it's time for a replacement. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to replace your air filter. Most air filters are housed in a black plastic box on top or to the side of your engine. Let's pop the hood and get started. Locate the air filter box. It's usually held down by a few clips or screws. Open the housing and take out the old air filter. You'll notice it's probably covered in dirt and dust. Now grab your new filter and put it in the same way the old one came out. Close the housing, reclip or screw it back, and boom, you're done. That's it. You've just improved your car's performance, all in under 5 minutes, and that's a wrap. Keeping your air filter clean is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to maintain your car's performance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips, reviews, and all things automotive. Let me know in the comments if you've ever replaced your air filter or if you're thinking of upgrading to a performance filter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.